film it.
License plate on there.
Huh?
Can't do that with license plate on
You can blur it out. It's called editing. Use the blur effect.
Nobody in Winchester. See, she's trying to put her makeup on, driving down the road, which is wrong anyway.
This lady is putting on makeup. This is freaking hilarious.
She's either a waitress or she works at a whatchamajigger place that she'll get off on Nurse Circle Road.
Maybe it's a crappy strip club.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm really wondering if that is a
Maybe
girl.
she does work at Deja Vu.
I'm wondering
You gotta
if-
put on as much makeup as possible to work in there. They don't serve alcohol.
Really?
Mine does better.
I'm wondering if it's one of those Ishis.
It's a 360 Magnum in there is what it sounds like.
Here we go again.
An Ishi. That's you filming this?
Yeah.
You better send it to me. You're gonna have to email it. It's gonna be a long one.
Honey, maybe can't get you any milk right now. And the right side.
This is hilarious.
Left.
Right now, Julia, oh my God.
Must be a waitress because if they were going to a strip club, they should have took a.
There they go.
I guess they just realized they missed the turn. He's asleep.